Is BlockFi's app right for your crypto payments? Let's find out. Check the description for links. We'll cover BlockFi's features, who it suits, and its crypto payment functionality. BlockFi's platform offers various services like trading, lending, and interest-earning accounts, often with rates exceeding traditional savings. You can earn interest on your crypto holdings directly within the app. For payments, BlockFi lets you buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. Their crypto rewards credit card is a standout. The BlockFi Visa Signature Card earns up to 1.5% back in Bitcoin on all purchases, making crypto accumulation effortless. It's perfect if you already use BlockFi and want to spend or invest your crypto. You can also convert crypto to USD or stablecoins for use with linked bank accounts. While not a direct payment app for merchant transactions, BlockFi offers robust tools for managing, storing, and using your crypto. BlockFi's payment services are ideal for managing your crypto, earning interest, and making everyday transactions, especially with the rewards card. It's designed for active crypto engagement, beyond simply holding. Whether you're earning interest, trading, or spending, BlockFi offers a secure and comprehensive solution.